Baby bus.
Let's decorate my room to make it more pretty. Wow, there are a lot of professions. I am so excited. Firefighter. I am firefighter Kiki. You can ask me for help when you are in trouble. Hello, this is the fire station. Please call us for help in case of the emergency. We need to complete 2 firefighting missions today. Hello, this is the fire station. What can I do for you?
The mine has collapsed and the miner is buried inside. We ask the firemen for help.
Don't worry, the firefighting rescue team will head there right away. There is an emergency. Let's go for the rescue. Kiki, the mine has collapsed and the miners are buried inside. We need to rescue them immediately. Okay, Hank and I will get ready to get into the mine. Put on protective searchlight. Protective mask. Explosion-proof toolkit. Folding stretcher. Searchlight. Protective mask. Life detector. Lifting air cushion. The equipment is ready. Come on, let's set out quickly. The mine may collapse at any time. Let's hurry up. It's a miner's hat. Check out for miner with the life detector. Tap on corresponding number key to see which frequency band can receive sound waves. There is a signal. The miner's sound waves are around here. Let's check it out. Oops! The support frame of the mine is broken. Let's fix it quickly. The support frame is fixed. Let's hurry up and move ahead. Oh no! Falling rocks are blocking the road. Break the rocks quickly. The road is cleared. Find the trapped miner quickly. Oh no! The miner is trapped by collapsed slates. Let's get him out. Drag the lifting air cushion and turn the gas cylinder switch to inflate the air cushion. Great! The miner is saved. Let's get out of the mine. Momo, we helped the miner out. Let's send him to a nearby hospital for treatment. Yeah, great job! Fire rescue task is complete. Hello, this is the fire station. What can I do for you?
The city has been flooded. The flood has swept away houses. Please come and help us.
Don't worry, the firefighting rescue team will head there right away. There is an emergency. Let's go for the rescue. Kiki, there is a flood in the city. Residents are trapped in the flood. Momo, I will set out for the rescue. You can wait ashore in case any help is needed. Let's prepare an emergency rescue boat first. Rescue boat is ready. Let's go! Drive the rescue boat to find the trapped residents. Slide to dodge these obstacles. Help! Someone's in the water. Help them out of the water. Help! Help! Someone on the car roof asked for help. Get over there quickly to help. Drag the trapped residents over to the rescue boat. Put on the life jacket. Safety first. The flood starts to overflow. Let's reinforce the riverbank. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. Pile up sandbags to prevent flood from coming ashore. Riverbank reinforcement is complete. The flood would no longer submerge riverbanks. Kiki, all residents trapped in the flood have been rescued and the flood has subsided. Rescue task is complete. Whoa, whoa! It's amazing to be a firefighter. That's great. Here are the coins for my hard work. Archaeologist. Hi, I am Archaeologist Kiki. Let's explore the archaeological site. There are fossils and cultural relics here. Let's find them. Use a detector to find the cultural relics buried underground. There are cultural relics here. Use the magnifying glass to find the cultural relics. There are cultural relics here. Break open the rock and find the cultural relics. The newly excavated cultural relics are dirty. Let's clean them up first. Use a detector to find the cultural relics buried underground. There are cultural relics here. Use the magnifying glass to find the cultural relics. There are cultural relics here. Break open the rock and find the cultural relics. The newly excavated cultural relics are dirty. Let's clean them up first. Wow! We've got all the cultural relics! We will discover many amazing treasures through the archaeological work! Wow! How many coins can we get this time? Architect. I am Architect Kiki. The houses I have built are strong and beautiful. Let's build the houses together. We're going to complete these 2 buildings this time. Which house should we build first? Villa. Let's build the brick wall first. the excess cement. Bind the rebar columns with rebar rings. Fix it in place with steel wire. Fill the steel reinforcement cage with concrete to make a sturdy constructional column. The steel reinforcement cage of the beam and the steel reinforcement cage of the column must be connected when building each floor. Next, pour in the concrete to make a sturdy ring beam constructional column. Thus, the houses are sturdier and more earthquake resistant. Pick a roof you like. The villa is built. Great job! Buildings with ring beam structural columns and buildings without ring beam structural columns will act differently in an earthquake. Slide the button to check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going! Wooden pavilion. Now let's start sculpting the wooden parts. Use sandpaper to polish the rough wood. Apply waterproof paint so that the wood would be sturdy and durable. assemble the bucket arch. This is a bucket arch. It is pieced together by 3 wooden parts. The wooden parts are not fixed to one another. Placing the bucket arch between the roof and the columns not only supports and stabilizes the structure of the entire house, but also absorbs some shock waves by deformation during an earthquake, which reduces the risk of collapsing. Pick a roof you like. Let's put some tiles on the roof. Then paint the columns. Wow! The wooden pavilion is built! So pretty! Buildings with mortise and tenon joints and normal buildings will act differently in an earthquake. Slide the button to check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going! Done! Architects are so amazing! Wow! Here are the coins from my hard work! Auto mechanic. I am the auto mechanic Kiki. I will handle all sorts of car problems. Another car is broken. Let's check it out. 2 cars need to be fixed today. My car is broken. Can you help? Don't worry. Let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. Oh no! The wire is broken! Let's fix it! Ahem! Blow away the black smoke quickly! Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job! The car is running out of gas. Let's fill up the tank. First, unscrew the cap. Insert the oil gun and fuel the car. Press and hold the oil gun to fill up the tank. The tank is filled up. Let's screw the cap. The car is so dirty. Let's have a good clean. There are a lot of bacteria. Get rid of them quickly. The car window is so dirty. Come and wash it. Drag the brush to foam the car. Let's rinse away the foam. Now let's wipe away the water stains on the car. Wow, the car is so clean now. Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Thanks for fixing my car. You are awesome. Oh no! There's smoke coming from my car. Can you help me? Don't worry. Let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. The problems have all been identified. Let's start fixing. The wire is broken. Let's fix it. Ahem. Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job! The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's jack up the car first. Take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten. Not this one. Give it another. Not this one. Give it not this one. Give it another try. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job! There are a lot of trash in the car. Let's clean it up. Trash should be thrown in the waste bin. Vacuum the paper scraps. The air conditioner is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean. nice, pretty decorations in the car. We are done with cleaning up. It looks great. Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Wow! My car is as good as a new one. You are awesome! The car is all fixed. Wow! Here are the coins for my hard